I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting what's stuck and why. This tells you which tactic will work. Once done, stabilize the piece so you can apply force safely, and collect penetrating oil, pliers, an adjustable wrench, a heat source, and gloves. Make sure to remove nearby debris and switch off power if electronics are involved. You're starting practical work now rather than guessing. That planning reduces risk of further damage and speeds the fix. You'll alternate lubrication, heat, and measured force to free the jam. First, apply penetrating oil and wait long enough for it to wick into threads. That reduces friction. Once the oil has done its work, heat the area gently. Thermal expansion opens tight joints, then use pliers or a wrench for controlled torque. If something still resists, tap the stuck area lightly to break surface adhesion, then increase leverage gradually. Keep checking alignment. You finish by carefully working the component free and cleaning away oil, metal shavings, or debris so you can inspect for damage. If it still refuses, move to extraction tools like a screw extractor, vice grips, or cutting a relief slot to gain purchase. Once removed, replace any compromised parts and apply anti-seize compound or fresh lubricant before reassembly. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: stop adding force. Reassess alignment and fastener type. Then choose a different extractor or gentle heating cycle to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.